Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through how to enable push notifications for group board updates on Pinterest using the latest app version. If you want to stay instantly updated whenever there's new activity on your group boards, this quick guide will help you set it up in just a few simple steps. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where you manage your boards and settings. Next, look for the notifications option and tap on it. This section controls all the alerts you receive from Pinterest, so it's the key place to customize your notification preferences. Under the Notifications menu, scroll down until you find the Social category. Here, you'll see an option labeled Group Board Updates. This is the setting that manages notifications specifically for any group boards you're part of. To make sure you get push notifications directly to your device, simply toggle the push option to the on position. Once activated, you'll start receiving real-time alerts whenever someone adds new pins or comments on your group boards. That's it. By following these steps, you'll never miss an update from your Pinterest group boards again. Enabling push notifications keeps you connected and engaged with your collaborative projects, making it easier to stay inspired and organized. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check back for more handy tips to get the most out of your Pinterest experience.